Hi, I'm Fat Potato. Let's play. Yeah, pass it here, Fat Potato. That was fun. Now it's time for school. Yay, let's go learn and grow. I'm so excited for my first day.
Welcome to Happy Hollow.
Hi, I'm Bablu. Can I play? Of course. We're glad you're here.
Great, let's play now. Hey, what are you doing?
Hey, Fat Potato, your trunk is too short. It is? What can I do? We can make it longer. Let's go stretch it. Okay, let's try. Pull harder. Almost there.
It's working! Woohoo! I have a magic trick that can grow your trunk as tall as a tree so you can pluck those fruits.
Really? My trunk is so short. Can you help?
Of course. Just follow me, Fat Potato. Okay, Bablu, I hope it works.
Bablu, my mother's away.
Fat Potato, what's happening?
You promised an adventure. Today we go. You're right. Let's go.
Yay, let's go! Okay, Bablu, water's going in. Perfect, now put it on the stove.
It's on. What's next?
We wait for it to boil.
This is fun!
Fat Potato, put your trunk in the hot water. It will pull longer. In the hot water, I'm scared. Don't worry, trust me. It will help you grow.
Okay, Bablu, I trust you.
Fat Potato, no! Stop!
But Mama, I just want to see! It's boiling! Get back now!
I'm out of here.
Come here, my brave little one.
Mom, I was so scared. Oh, my dear, what happened? They told me to climb the big rock. I fell.
Oh, Fat Potato, you must never trust children who give harmful advice.
I won't.
Mom, I'm sorry. I promise I'll never make friends with bad children again.
Oh, my sweet Fat Potato, I forgive you.
I'm just glad you're safe.
Like, share, subscribe.